this thing? Baby, do you really think we should be on this thing? Sure, it's perfectly safe. And it's a good place to catch these. Oh, baby, the thing's moving! Yeah, right, it can't be moving. I mean, there's no steering wheel or gas pedal. Seriously, look! Both ends don't have anybody. Who cried? We're doomed. I'm getting off of this thing. Buddy, no! Hey, who's the guy with the sharp fangs? Oh, Buddy! I'm scared. Is it all over? Oh no! A shadow! An earthquake! Make it stop! Gotcha! What? See, Mommy was the one pushing the wagon. And I got captured, and I pretended to put the guy with fangs. Mommy, push it back to the house. And Daddy was the shadow. You guys are mean. Mommy, how could you agree to this?
They paid me.
How much? How much? $20. Well,
And I think I could.
Sorry, my allowance is only $50. What? Baby! You get $30 more than me? Yeah, good times, right? Oh, you're on, sucker! Wait, no! Mom, keep pushing it back to court. Or as we like to call it, home sweet home.